Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Economic Times Business Verticals' India AI Dialogue brought to you by Kyndryl. Now I have with me Mr. Vibhor Jain. He is the acting CEO of ONDC. Thank you very much, Mr. Jain, for joining us. We are at the India AI Impact Summit. As a subject matter expert, how do you see this summit and the excitement around it translating into ground reality?
See, obviously, AI is going to transform the way we look at things, right? Think of it from a lens in terms of how do you reimagine the new paradigm in the world of AI and start looking at each of the things that we engage in, right? And if I look at back at ONDC as an initiative, while we're talking about open networks, focusing on segments like retail, segments like mobility, logistics, financial services, each of them have a new lens to look at the new possibilities that emerge with the invention, with the uptake of AI. I think that's the way I look at it. The experience out here has been amazing. Obviously, a lot of energy, a lot of new ideas, a lot of new innovations. It's opening up sort of the mental model of how people are relooking at things from a future perspective.
Correct.
So from that perspective, it's been a great experience.
Fantastic. When we talk about AI at population scale, democratization, what is it that excites you the most?
I think for us, and let me pick up an example of what I mentioned, right? And let's maybe pick up two segments. Let's start with retail.
Yeah.
Now, the moment you're talking about the segments that are new to digital rails, so there is one segment that's more advanced, right? And then there is a segment that's still left behind, right? Our farmers, our artisans, our weavers, our self-help groups. How do we bring them to speed in terms of adoption of digital rails? Now, the good news is AI helps that fast track.
Okay.
Right? Think of things like, simple things like cataloging, my inventory management, my dispatch management, my efficiency improvement. AI amplifies these things in terms of how efficiency can be improved.
Correct.
Right? Let's pick up a separate use case in the entire travel industry. Right? How do I stitch new experiences in the travel space? How do I stitch the entire multimodal journeys? Right? How does the AI agent help me sort of transform my travel experience if I'm going on a holiday? Now, those are possibilities that can happen. A combination of open networks topped it up with AI is an amazing space to be in at this time of the year, of the decade. And looking forward to more innovations coming in this space.
Fantastic. Last question, do you think India can actually inspire the world when it comes to AI?
You will be amazed what difference India can make in the coming years, in the decade. And I'm very, very bullish. I think a lot of our industry leaders talk about India being the use case capital.
Correct.
Right? That's what excites me a lot. The examples that I spoke about, in terms of retail, in terms of logistics, in terms of financial services, in terms of travel experiences, public transport, mobility, in every use case, right? Or if you look at use cases around healthcare, education, there is enough that needs to be done, and I think AI will really transform each of these spaces. From an efficiency perspective, in terms of operational efficiency, from value unlock that can happen, from commercial value chains being redefined. So I think there's a lot of things that's going to happen in this space with the AI intervention coming in.
Fantastic. Advantage India, you say. Thank you very much, Mr. Jain, for your time. It was lovely having this conversation.
Same here. Thank you so much for hosting me.
Thank you.